Today we're going on a little road trip. Hey buddy. One of ours started crowing this week, and I'm like, sorry buddy. Sorry buddy.
It's just dinner time.
Yep.
And I could even feed the broilers if we had broilers going. Now they wouldn't turn out as well if they were purely.
So we're just kind of walking around talking about everything. So just want to be sure and let you know that they're coming by, and you got to go check out her channel. So family's here. So if you're not subscribed already, be sure to do that. I'm sure most of you are. But if not, go show some love. So we're gonna keep walking around the garden here.
Have you figured out where we went yet? I came up to John and Angela's at Heirloom Permaculture to look around, look at some chickens, and show you around.
Hey everybody.
So this is John from Heirloom Permaculture. He is pretty local to me, about 40 minutes away, and I'm just gonna let him talk about what he's all about, and I'm gonna link his stuff down in the description below, so don't forget to check him out and show him some love.
Hey, like I said, name's John, Heirloom Permaculture. Wife Angela, hiding over here in the shadows. So, we're in the just southwest of Tulsa, in the Tulsa area here. We're on 1 acre. What we're doing here is just showing everything you can accomplish on 1 acre to be self-supportive. So we raise chickens for eggs, we raise broilers for meat. We have several different types of gardens done. We got kind of a food forest behind us here. We collect rainwater, we've got a greenhouse. We have a community garden in our front yard that we installed and maintain, and we just let anybody come and harvest whatever they want. So we got all kinds of stuff going on. We got solar powered for the barn. Just check out our channel, see our videos. We've got DIY videos. We got the garden videos. We got all kinds of stuff. So we just appreciate you checking out the channel, and glad to have Kira down to look around, and we're just gonna look at some chickens.
Yeah.
So,
They've got basically everything that I'm trying to establish on my tiny 1/5 of an acre. So, I mean, basically the gardens, the community garden, the greenhouse, basically everything that I'm trying to build up, they've got already kind of in practice. So it's really great to have good friends close by that are like-minded and that I can come and learn from. So thanks for having me.
you're welcome. Anytime.
There's one rooster that keeps getting me. This guy. Stop it. Go. Go eat. Go. Go eat. Hey girl. How are you? We got some beautiful eggs going on. Yeah. Y'all found my... Alright, so we accidentally broke a quail egg, so it's time to give these a taste. Alright, Charlotte, you ready to taste the quail egg?
Yeah. I hope you like it. Is this inside?
It's the egg.
That's the quail.
Alright, hold on.
Is that quail?
No, it's a quail egg. Sterling, your head's in the way. Scooch back. Alright, it's a quail. Give it a taste.
Get a thumbs up if you like it. Get a side if not much. Down if you don't like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's yummy? Okay, Sterling, you give it a try.
Delicious. It tastes yummy. Well, if she likes it, I will too. I'll have another try. I love it.
Yeah, you can have another piece. You like it too?
Yeah. This is great.
What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, it tastes a little bit. That's good.
I want
I wish I hadn't broken the yolk because I would have eaten it sunny side up.
but does it break the yolk?
I did. I'm just gonna finish eating it. So that rooster there, right here, tried to assert his dominance. You can tell that he got pecked a little bit on the side of his face. And he tried to assert his dominance with that beautiful blue Australorp over there that's heading into the nesting box. And she told him what's up. She was like, no sir. Okay, babe. Anyways, they're gonna need names. The two black copper Morans, the barred rock, the blue Australorp, and the two Easter eggers are gonna need names.
I love the blue rock.
So, I do too. Isn't she a beautiful bird? I think they're all beautiful. They're all very beautiful.
Yeah, me too. Well, the kind of chickens I love the most